Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janu and I am back with another video. If you're new to this channel, I talk about all things intentional and low impact living. Today we are going to be talking about eco-friendly swaps that you can easily find at Target. I know for me, when I started my low waste journey, finding sustainable swaps weren't that easy. You couldn't just walk into Target or a regular store and find a sustainable swap, but now there are so many different options that you can find, so I thought I'd share them with you. So let's hop into the video. The first swap that you can find at Target is plastic-free deodorant. Now, one of my favorites is Hey Humans, and it's only $5, which for plastic-free deodorant, that's definitely on the more affordable side. They tend to be more in the $12 range, so I would definitely check them out. The second swap that you can find is Love Beauty and Planet products. Now, they have actually come a really long way. They use recycled plastic as well as aluminum. They're transitioning more into aluminum products, so you can find shampoo and conditioner that come in aluminum, which I think is great. The third sustainable swap that you can find at Target are tooth taps. So tooth taps are basically toothpaste in tap form. All you do is you pop one in your mouth, you chew down on it. I put a little water on my toothbrush and then I just simply brush my teeth. And it definitely is an easy swap, but it's great for traveling too, because when you're traveling with liquids, you have to be a little bit careful. How much can you actually take on the plane? In terms of packing as well, you're also just packing a lot less stuff. So tooth taps are just a great option all around. Before we continue, clearly you've been watching up to this point, you like this video, so why don't you go ahead and hit that like button and that subscribe button too, because you want to join the community. Why not be a part of the community? We're all trying to work towards a more sustainable future. I'm so happy to have you here, so let's hop back into the video. The fourth swap is Bronner's soap. Now, I love Bronner's Castile soap. It can literally be used for everything. You can clean your bathtub, you can clean your body, you can clean your face, you can clean your pet, you can literally do anything with it. You can find it in bar form, which you can melt down, or you can find the liquid, which comes in a plastic bottle that is made out of recycled plastic. If you don't want the plastic, the bar is a great option. I love how you can use Castile soap for so many different things. It is definitely one of the kind of DIY holy grail items that can pretty much be used for everything. So I would definitely check out some Castile soap when you're trying to clean pretty much anything in your home. The fifth sustainable swap are sustainable water bottles. Now, I love Clean Canteen. It's one of my favorite brands. You can find their water bottles as well as straws at Target. Now, I have probably way too many water bottles that I definitely do not need. And I definitely like that they are durable, they last a long time, and you can also find ones that are double insulated. It's perfect for when it's super hot outside and you want to make sure your water stays cold, or for the opposite, if it's somewhere really cold and you want your drink to stay warm, it's definitely a great option and it really works. So I'm definitely a big fan of Clean Canteen. My next favorite swap are silicone bags. So you can actually find Stasher and Zip Top. So Zip Top, I believe I have a code for them, so I'll link that in the description box below. But I love silicone bags, especially for traveling. It's just an easy way to say no to single-use plastic, because those single-use Ziploc baggies, if you already have them at home, definitely use them up. Try to use them more than once before you throw them out. But I would definitely opt for a more sustainable option, which is a silicone bag. And although they're a little pricey up front, they definitely save you a ton of money and obviously cut down on a ton of waste. Now, just make sure when you're washing them, you don't flip them inside out, because you can end up ripping them, but they are dishwasher safe. You can put them in the freezer. It's a great multi-use product and you can use it for storing, maybe travel essentials, not just food. So they're definitely very multi-use and I have been using them for so long. You just have to make sure that you're not flipping them inside out or cleaning them the wrong way. The next sustainable swap at Target is the Hey Humans line. Now, this is actually co-founded by Jada Pinkett Smith. All of their products are either packaged in paper or aluminum. I love their deodorant. It's definitely super affordable, as well as their shampoo and conditioner as well. I think there's body wash too, and you can easily find this at pretty much any Target. And even the tops as well are aluminum. They don't have any pumps, which I think is cool, because a lot of times, even though you find products that come in aluminum bottles, oftentimes they have the pumps, which are of course made out of plastic. So I think it's great that you kind of get the option of, if you want to put in your own pump, you can, and if you don't need to, then great. So I would definitely check out the Hey Humans line the next time you're in Target. The next sustainable swap you can find is Cocokind. So Cocokind is a skincare company. You can find them in Target. They're super sustainable. They are a very clean sort of beauty brand. You'll find a lot of just skincare products that are very natural and gentle to the skin. You can find products that are either for dark spots or for oily skin. There's a huge variety of different options that you can find at Target, but I love that, again, it's accessible. It's definitely not as expensive as a brand you might find at Sephora. It's not super cheap, but I think they are priced pretty well considering they're at Target, and they make it at a pretty accessible range. The next sort of brand swap that you can find at Target is Grove Collaborative. So I got super excited when I found out that Grove started to sell their own products at Target. Now I don't know if they're at every Target, but I know they're at the Target that's near me. And so you can find cleaning concentrates for sprays. They also have dish soap and hand soap as well that come in aluminum bottles. I've been a fan of Grove for a long time. I've worked with them in the past, and I love that they're working towards a plastic-free future. That's part of their mission because, of course, you know, that's important to me as well. So I would definitely go check that out. I'll be linking all these products that I'm mentioning in the description box below so you can check them out too. The next are wool dryer balls. Now, if you're someone that's vegan, you definitely can find other options. I don't know if they have them at Target, but wool dryer balls are a great way to say no to those single-use dryer sheets, which I'm pretty sure are made from some sort of synthetic material, and they're single use, and you're also just wasting your money. So wool dryer balls, you can put a little bit of essential oils on them and throw them in the laundry, and then your clothes smell like peppermint or lavender or whatever you want it to smell like. And they're just a great option because you're not using something that's single use, and you're also saving a ton of money. The next sustainable swap you can find at Target are beeswax wraps. I really love beeswax wraps. They're so easy to use. I can put fruit in it, or let's say I misplace a lid to one of my containers, I can just cover a container with it. I also love using it for on the go. I'll put it in one of my little kind of travel kit, because when you're on the go and you're traveling and maybe let's say you want to take food to go, you don't want to carry a big container, you can easily just put it in either a stasher bag, or you can place it in a beeswax wrap. The last swap that I love is one of the favorite swaps that I've made, which is switching to bamboo toilet paper. Now, real toilet paper is now in Target. Now, they're only in select Targets. You can find it in Target packaged completely plastic free. I know a lot of times I go into Target and I see like the eco-friendly toilet paper, but then it's wrapped in a ton of plastic. So I'm like, guys, like we're not getting it. Like, how are we saying that, you know, toilet paper is sustainable and this is recycled, blah, 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 but then you're wrapping it in a ton of plastic. So I love that you find real toilet paper in a cardboard box versus wrapped in plastic. Let me know in the comment section below if you've tried any of these sustainable swaps at Target, or are there other sustainable swaps that you found at Target that I didn't talk about. I really want to know. I want to know what you guys are enjoying in terms of products. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.